Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is October 13, variant 13, and question number 8. Topic is AS level binomial expansion. We have first part, coefficient of x power 8 in this expansion. Okay, and now interesting part is what? If I expand as it is, so first term is coming 4c0. First term is means x to power 4 minus 0, and then this power 0. You can see that if I simplify, this is 1, this is I mean to say, this value comes 1, this value comes 1, and this value comes 4. So it means I will get first term 4 and gradually x power then 6 maybe, and then 8, maybe, sorry, 5, then 6, then 7, then 8. But I'm looking 8 terms. So it's very hard to start from this end. Actually, they're in expanding, whatever expand. So we have starting from x to power 4, gradually increasing 5, 6, 7, and 8, which is our required answer. So rather than expanding this way, what I'll do, I change these values, switch these values, and then expand. Okay, then what happened? Let's see. So first question number, what I part I'm doing. So 3x to power 2 plus x 4. So 4c0. So 4c0, first term to power is 4 minus 0, and second term to power 0. And further, I'm not writing. 4c0 is 1, all of you know it. And this is at 4 on the top. So 3 to power 4 is 81. And 4 2s are 8, because x to power 8, and this is also 1, dot, dot, dot. So it means I got 81 x to power 8, and no need to further. So coefficient of x to power 8 is equals to 81. So this required part, we have done first part easily. You can do without even switching over, but then you reach directly for C4 and without changing 4 minus 4, 0. But you must know that that we can approach, that you must have an idea what is x value powers increasing gradually. Okay, I hope so. First part is very clear. So now let's talk about part number 2. Part number 1 done. So let's talk about part number 2. Part number 2, if you look at carefully, what a part number 2 is asking for. Coefficient of x to power 8 in this one. Now you can see that if now its top is 5. So if I change again, again change the places. So first term is coming 5 2s are 10, then gradually decrease. Okay. All right. So let's see now how we can do this part. Okay. So let's start. I think I can do on the other side of the page. Okay. Second part I'm doing here. So I change the places. X plus 3x squared to power 5 was actual question. I change the places. I change the order actually. Okay. In this, it is called descending power. How, sir? First 8, then 7, then 6, then 5, then 4, maximum 4, minimum 4, sorry. So if I open x before and 3x power later, so it start from 4 and then it go increasing x power 4, 5, 6, and 7, and 8. Similarly here, if I open directly this without any changing, I will get start from 5 power and then gradually increase till 10. But if I change the places of these two terms, I'll start from 5 2s are 10 and gradually decrease. For example, 5c0, first term to power 5 minus 0, and second term to power 0. Now 5c1, first term to power 5 minus 1, and second term to power 1, and stop. Why stop? Because 4 2s are 8, and 8 is my required plan. So this is 1, this is 3 to power 5. It becomes 3 to power 5 is 200, and 3 to power 243. So 243, sorry. Okay. And something to power 0 is 1. So I'm keeping as it is. And 5c1 is 5. All you familiar? And 3 to power 4 is 81. and 4 twos are 8, x to power 8, and then x. So it means I have to expand one more term. Sorry for that. It means I saw now I have to expand one more term. 5c2 and 3x to power 2. Power is 5 minus 2 and x to power 2. I think now okay. So I have to erase this dots. Okay, come back. So 5c0 is 1. This is 1. So I'm getting 243. X to power 5 2 is a 10. So what is this one? 5c1 is 5. I'm writing 5. And 4 2 4 3 power 4 is 81. And 4 2s are 8 plus 1 9. So it means x to power 9. 5c2 is 10. All of you familiar? And this 3 3 to power 3 is it is coming. Oh, wait a minute, let me check this. 27. Okay. And x to power 3 2s are 6. And here x to power 2 comes as it is. So it means 243 x to power 10 and 405 x to power 9 and 270 x to power 8 plus dot dot. So this is my term. So coefficient of x to power 8 is 270. So two parts are over. After this, I will go for the third part. But first, you take a screenshot. Otherwise, I will erase it and I will go for third part. And both parts will help us to get a third part. So let's start third part, students. Third two parts are over. Third part is a coefficient x power 8 again. So, and we got it. We'll keep our eye in the first part what we got answers. And now he's saying this expansion. Very interesting part. If I write it here like this, problem again, you know one thing very clear. You learn one thing. If we have x here and x to power 2 here, and when I expand, for example, so because this smaller power, so it will go small to big. But if I change the place, x square before and x later, it is a bigger power here, and it will go descending because for highest power, then go gradually decrease. Here, smaller power, so start from small to big. I think idea is very clear. So problem, can I start directly question? No, not at all. It will not help us in this way because if I open this way, it will start from the smaller power and go gradually up. But if I change the places, example, if I change x plus 3x to power 2 and 1 later, so this is better opinion. Again, why I keep 1 later? Because in this way, I will get the highest power in below, and I am looking for highest power. That is why. So let's start. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. I'm changing the plan. So x plus 3x to power 2 and plus 1 and whole power 5. And my target is what? Coefficient of x to power 8. So let's try. First of all, as usual, you know it, students. 5c0. First term to power 5 minus 0. Second term to power 0. Repeat. 5c1. First term to power 5 minus 1. Second term to power 1. Repeat. 5c2. First term to power 5 minus 2. And second term to power 2. I think okay. First term is this, comes here, and second term is come here. Rest whole same thing. X plus 3x to power 2. And here 1 comes. X plus 3x to power 2, here 1 comes. X plus 3x to power 2, and here 1 comes. So now I just simplify. You know 5c0 is 1, and 1 to power 0 is 1. So both 1. So I have this question, Alhamdulillah, Rabbil Alameen. And 5c1 is 5. All of you familiar, you know. And this is 5 minus 1, 4 comes. So x plus 3x to power 2 and 4. And something to power 1 to power 1, same one. So 5c2 is 10. And this is x plus 3x to power 2. And here I get a 3. And this is, but my problem, this is the highest power, 3 2s are 6 come. Oh, not required because I'm looking for x power 8. Okay. It means this is not up to the level, so I can't solve the question in this way. Okay, so what is the other way then? So it means this will not give me answer. Yeah, 4 2s are 8. I'm looking for 8. Yes, 5 to the 10. Okay, in this 8 also coming. So I think I should not expand it. If you look at carefully, is this and is this same terms here? Check it, look at it. Well, exactly same. This exactly same. Okay. And this 4 exactly match with that. So it means I will not work out again. No, I will not apply to find 3 terms again back. No, what answer I have from the previous term, I will use that. And this answer from the previous part, I will use that. And this no need. So let's start. Plug in the values using the part first and part two. And I'm writing here using part I and part two answers. So, here we have three answers. And if you write all three, good. If you write one term only, no problem at all. And I am writing for sake of understanding, I'm writing all three terms. And I have first 243 x to power 10 plus 405 x to power 9 plus 270 x to power 8 plus dot dot dot. This answer I got from here. Now, plus 5, and this answer I got from first term, which only one term. And that term I got 81 x to power 8 and plus dot dot dot. And here I'm not getting even 8. And I'm writing here, so coefficient of x to power 8 terms. So naturally, here we have 270, and here we have a 5 times 281. So 270 and plus 5 times 281. So this will give us coefficient, and let me check, 270 and plus 81 times 5. And this is my final answer, 675, which is called coefficient of x to power 2, sorry, x to power 8. So this is where I got the answer, coefficient of x to power 8. That is my 4-mark question. Alhamdulillah, I think you got the idea very well.